What if I told you that you could make $40,000 just by creating YouTube videos? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. That's the amount one YouTube channel has made by posting AI-generated videos without ever showing a face. And guess what? These videos take less than 15 minutes to create. Sounds impressive, right? YouTube automation just got easier. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. Anyone can do this, no matter what your background or situation. To make this work, watch the full video as I guide you, from ideas to posting your videos. Every step is crucial, and if you skip any part, you might miss something important. Instead of just showing you how to replicate the success of this channel, I'll guide you, so you're free to explore beyond just one category. Now, I will dive straight into how to create these videos. There are several steps involved, but don't worry, I've simplified everything into a clear blueprint that you can follow. The first step is setting up your YouTube channel. If you've already done this, you can skip ahead, but stick around because I'll be sharing some valuable tips that can save you time as we go along. Start by navigating to YouTube and logging in. Once you're on your profile, select Switch Account and then View All Channels from the menu. After that, click Create a Channel. Here's where the fun begins, choosing a name. You can brainstorm a unique name or use a tool like ChatGPT. Enter a prompt related to your chosen niche, and it'll generate ideas for you. Find a name and apply on your YouTube. Don't forget to set a username that matches the channel content to keep things consistent. Next, you'll want to fill in your channel's details, like the description. To make this easier, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give a short description based on your niche. Once you have something to work with, take a little time to tweak it. Add your flair so it sounds more natural and captures the vibe you want for your channel. Next, let's talk about your profile picture. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a text prompt idea for your YouTube profile picture. Once you've got your prompt, you can use any image generator. I suggest Leonardo AI because it's free and has several advanced features you'll need. I'll drop links to all the tools I mentioned in the video description. Now, use the image generator, paste it, hit generate, and pick from the options. Then go to your YouTube channel and upload your new profile picture. You'll also need to add a banner image. Hop over to Canva, start a new project, and use a YouTube banner template. Type in something catchy like and subscribe for more in the same color scheme as your logo. You can also find a cool background pattern and use it behind the text to give it that extra touch. Let me explain why I'm keeping the banner simple. Don't get caught up in perfecting a flashy banner. Honestly, no one pays that much attention to banners, and there are plenty of successful channels with nothing more than a quick and simple design. Your focus should be on creating great content, which leads us to the first key step, writing your video script. Every YouTube video begins with one crucial step, picking a topic and writing the script. I'll guide you through creating content that can go viral. When writing your script, using tools like ChatGPT can be helpful, but there's a catch. Sometimes these scripts might sound robotic, lacking that human touch, which can make your video feel flat. That's why I recommend a platform called DupDo. It's designed to create scripts that feel genuinely human and engaging. Although it still leverages artificial intelligence technology, DupDo is fine-tuned specifically for YouTube, so the scripts come out much more naturally. I've got a trick if you're looking for a script that has proven to work. DupDo is great for generating a completely new script for you. Go to DupDo and click on AI VoiceOver. Write a prompt for the AI and click on Ask AI to Write. Then enter your topic and specify how long you want it to be. It's vital to read through the script carefully to catch any errors and ensure it sounds natural. If needed, you can make adjustments. DupDo also allows you to edit each part to perfect the final result. Now that your script is set, let's move on to the voiceover. Your voiceover must sound genuine. Many viewers prefer a real human voice over a robotic one. I'll show you how to create an AI-generated voiceover that sounds like a real person. Next, let's use a website called 11 Labs for your voiceover. 11 Labs is one of the first artificial intelligence voiceover tools, and it's more affordable than you might think. Sometimes it's even free. They offer incredibly realistic voices. Now, paste your script into 11 Labs by entering it into the text box. Generate the voiceover a few times, and if you're satisfied with the result, you can download and save it for later. Next, let's move on to creating the visuals. Back in the day, making visuals would take forever, but now you can whip them up in just a few minutes to grab viewers' attention. For our niche, we need images of stoic statues, like the one we used for our profile picture. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to create 15 text prompts for Leonardo AI. Then open Leonardo AI's image generator, paste one of the prompts from ChatGPT, and add ultra-realistic at the end. You'll see that the results are pretty impressive. Showing only images can be boring, so let's apply some cool animation. Click on Personal Feed, and then choose a unique image. Turn the motion strength up to about 4, and you'll get an animation that looks cool. Back to the images. Do the same animation process for all images, and you'll have your visuals ready. Let's dive into the music part of your video. To ensure your video is eligible for monetization, you must use copyright-free music. A great place to find such music is Pixabay. Search for ancient music, and you'll find free options. Browse through the choices, pick a track that fits your video's mood, and download it. Next, you'll need to put everything together using editing software. You don't have to go for anything expensive or complex. CapCut will do the job perfectly. It's free and packed with the features you need. Here's how to start. Open CapCut and create a new project. Choose the 16:9 format, which is ideal for YouTube videos. Now import your voiceover and the specific music you downloaded into CapCut. If your voiceovers from 11 Labs have awkward pauses that sound like an artificial intelligence generated, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Use the razor tool to cut out these pauses. Then overlap the audio clips to smooth out the transitions. This will help your video flow more naturally and keep your audience engaged. Add all your images to the timeline by uploading them. For smoother transitions, go to Transitions and add the black fade effect. Set the duration to 0.3 seconds and apply it to all the clips. If you want to add a retro vibe, go to Effects and add the noise effect. To give your video a polished look, add a color adjustment layer. Increase the vignette to 15 and decrease the brightness to -4, then click Apply to All. This will effectively darken the edges and draw focus to the center of the video. You'll end up with something like this. These filters will enhance the effect even more. Lastly, add the background music and decrease the volume so that it does not overpower the whole video. Now, the video is ready to export. Let's talk about something crucial, the thumbnail. A thumbnail is huge. It can determine why people click on your video. And here's a game changer I found. An AI tool called Pixels that can easily create amazing thumbnails for you. Log into Pixels and start chatting with their bot. Then describe what you want for your thumbnail. The more details you give, the better the result. For example, if you're making a unique thumbnail for the Stoicism video, send Pixels a simple message describing your needs. It'll generate a thumbnail in seconds. If you want to add specific text or make changes, you can reply directly in the chat, and Pixels will adjust the thumbnail for you. If you want a thumbnail inspired by a popular video, simply copy the video link and tell Pixels to create a design based on it. If you don't have the budget for fancy tools like Pixels, don't worry. There are still ways to make a great thumbnail using Leonardo AI and Canva. It might take more time and effort, but it can still get the job done. Let me walk you through it. First, go back to Leonardo AI and download your favorite image from the ones we created earlier. For editing, you can use Canva, which is free, easy to use, and perfect for this job. Here's what you do. Search for YouTube thumbnail in Canva and start a new project. Upload your downloaded image and remove the background. Make sure the image covers the screen fully. Next, set the background color to black. Search for a glow effect and apply it to avoid a plain appearance. Feel free to get creative by choosing filters from the Elements tab to add some flair. Next, add a text box and type in the topic of your video. Choose a font that fits the style of your content. Something that looks ancient for stoic videos is a great choice. You can also change the text color to match the character or keep it white for contrast. Here's a bonus tip. For an eye-catching thumbnail, place the character on either the left or right side of the canvas and put the text beside it. Use as few words as possible and make them big and bold. Remember, People scrolling through YouTube need to understand what your video is about within just half a second. Alright, let's wrap this up with some game-changing tip. Have you noticed how, when you search online, Google often features YouTube videos in its suggestions? Let me show you how optimizing your video with the right keywords and tags can increase your chances of being suggested to a larger audience. To find the best keywords, use vidIQ Keyword Tool. It's free and super useful. Enter relevant terms for your niche, and vidIQ will show you which ones are popular and how much competition there is. Use these keywords in your video tags. It's a great time saver. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If today's insights on side hustles and passive income sparked your interest, then you're in for a treat. Right on your screen is our next video, and it's a goldmine of information on how to 10x your online earnings. I've got a feeling you're going to love it. Go ahead, click, and enjoy.